Hello, this is my presentation for my ECEN 160 class, Lab 1, about how to make a laptop circuit that controls the alarm and the fan in the laptop. So, we're going to go over first how these different logic gates work. So in electrical circuits, you have two different inputs for these particular type of gates. If one has electricity flowing through, it means 1. If there isn't electricity flowing through, it means 0. So in AND gates, when there's current coming through both inputs, then the output is going to be 1, just because both of them are on. If either one of them is off or both of them are off, then the output's going to be 0. For OR gates, if one of the inputs, at least one, is on, then that means that the output is going to be 1 also. If both of them are 0, then the output would be 0. That's the only exception. NOT gates reverse the output. Say, when you put in 0, you get 1. When you put in 1, you get 0. So we can use this to change how our laptop behaves depending on the different conditions. First, let's say that the cord is not plugged in, that the laptop is low voltage, low battery, and that it's low temperature. Then nothing will happen. And there's no problems there really. Let's say the temperature is hot though. If that's the only input coming in, then the fan will turn on. If it's low voltage, the alarm will go off. If it's low voltage and it's a high temperature, then the alarm will also go off. If the cord is plugged in, there's no problem. If the cord is plugged in and it's hot temperature, then the fan will turn on. If there's a cord plugged in and it's low voltage, then that's no problem either because your laptop's just charging. And if the cord, low voltage, and high temperature are on, then it'll just turn the fan on because the only problem is really that it's hot still. So this is called a truth table. This is just the basic bare bones way to explain how the circuit will work. And we get into the nitty-gritty details over here and actually plan out how the different wires will go around the circuit. So this is an AND gate. It's represented by a circular right side, flat left. This is an OR gate with a pointed right side and an indented left side. And these are NOT gates. They're triangles with circles around on the front. So these are our 3 inputs. If the laptop's hot, then I guess the thermometer will trigger the electricity there. If it's low voltage, then it'll send electricity there. If the cord's plugged in, then it'll trigger this input. So let's test out all these different combinations. They're all 0 right now, and we can see that both the alarm and fan are off, represented by zeros. Now let's turn the temperature on. Only the fan turns on. Okay, let's do low voltage. The alarm turns on, that's right. Let's do low voltage and temperature. Just the alarm still turns on, that's good. Let's do cord. Yeah, that's right, no problems there. Cord and temperature. Yes, it just turns the fan on. Let's do cord and low voltage. No problems there. And let's do cord, low voltage, and temperature. I'll just turn the fan on. So we can see that the circuit works perfectly. This is my presentation. Thanks for watching.